Welcome to the Grief Relief Program, a simple, actionable recovery toolbox to heal your broken heart. This is a short and simple, fast-acting, hands-on, free course that you can take on your own. In this toolbox, you will get a quick review of the types of grief and self-assessment, a quick review of the stages of grief and your unique mixture of them, fast-acting coping techniques that you evaluate and choose for your particular experience, hands-on activities with cheat sheets that help you manage your grief and your life, short and calming meditations and self-hypnosis recordings that you can access at any time, an emergency kit of when despair is too overwhelming, identifying triggers technique and building your best support system formula, long-lasting self-care procedures, and daily affirmations and paradigm-shifting prompts.